Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustup here, and today we will be taking an in-depth look at the Greensoul Monster Ultimate GS734U. So basically this is an gaming chair which I have been using for about a month now, and today I will be telling you a couple of points which I have noticed and how my experience overall was with this product. So do watch the video till the end, and also make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below, and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So firstly guys, we will be taking a look at the overall design and build quality of this chair. So if you take a close look at this whole design, it has been highly inspired from a supercar bucket seat design, and that's where mainly it shines look wise. And this blue accent color which is throughout this chair just looks pretty dope enough and gives you that gaming chair vibe. Further, taking a look at the material used, then the cloth used is called as spandex fabric, and this is sort of a breathable material, so even after long hours of usage there will be no heat buildup or sweaty feeling that you might get on a normal chair. The whole internal frame of the chair has been made out of metal, so it is really sturdy. And talking about the base plate of the chair, then it is also completely made of high quality, high density metal, so it is really sturdy enough. And supporting the whole the whole weight of the chair is taken on the wheels. So these wheels are dual 60 caster wheels, and they are also really well built, I should say. Like they are not any cheap plastic wheels that you might get on a normal office chair. Also, talking about the armrest, which you can see, this armrests are called as 4D armrest, and that's what Greensoul likes to call it. And that is because mainly this armrest can be adjusted in 4 dimensions, that is a front, back, left and right. So they are fully 4-way adjustable, and it looks also pretty good with this whole carbon texture on top of it, guys. So it is really good, and your arms can rest comfortably on them for extended hours of usage as well. Secondly, coming to guys, is the overall seating comfort of this chair. Then it is pretty excellent, I should say. For reference guys, for my height of 6 feet 2 inches, I'm 6 feet 2 inches tall, so for my height also this chair is perfect. There are no issues as such, and the under thigh support is also pretty good enough. Like I have a problem on normal chairs and the under thigh support is not good, but with this chair it is just perfect. Talking about the main base, then it is made out of a molded foam, guys, and it has this breathable spandex fabric on top of it, so as to make it airy and avoid any heat buildups inside of it. Then talking about the back support, guys, then the back support is having this curved shaped design sort of, as well as it comes with this lumbar pillow which has memory foam inside of it, and it feels pretty comfy as it takes the shape of your spine. So this sitting posture design is mainly helpful for our spine as to avoid any back pain. And personally, tall people like me usually don't get this sort of support on a normal chair, but with this one I was thoroughly impressed. It really felt good, and I didn't feel any sort of fatigue after using this chair for a prolonged time. On the top we have a neck pillow which is also good enough when you are in a resting position. And also another thing I absolutely loved is the side supports or the side bolsterings you can see that this chair has. This really holds your body in place, especially your shoulders in place, and sort of gives you that supercar feeling, I should say. It gives you that confident, tight, snug fit while you're sitting inside the chair. So it's pretty amazing that way too. Thirdly, talking about is the frog mechanism of this chair, and guys, it is the main USP of this chair, which I think at least. So with the help of this frog mechanism, you can basically rock the chair like this, as you can see, and you can also lock it at a specific angle with the help of this lever as well. So it's pretty good to have this feature, and personally I really like it. But the maximum angle you can rock is at 15 degrees, so you can lock it at 15 degrees as well. So that's a good thing to have. Then talking about the backrest angle, it can be completely flat 180 degrees, and you can lock it in between normal 90 or 180 degree as per your liking. And personally what I think is that the 180 degree flat angle is a bit too much, because whenever I used to sit on that angle or sleep on that angle, I felt like I was about to fall back. It's because the chair becomes a bit unstable I should say. Above this angle you can sit comfortably, and the chair is pretty stable. Further, taking a look at the height adjustment, guys, then it has a class 4 gas lift, and this is basically sort of a hydraulic gas lift which helps you to adjust the vertical height of your chair. It is also pretty good quality, and with the help of this lever you can adjust the height of the seat accordingly. Lastly guys, talking about a couple of points which I don't like about this chair, and Firstly, we will be taking a look at the blue accent. So the blue accent, the material used for making this blue accent is pretty thin. The layer of cloth or leather, whatever it has been used in, it is pretty thin enough, and it is easily prone to getting torn away if it rubs with any sharp edges of your table. So be careful while using this chair. Just keep it away from any sharp edges. It might get torn away easily. Second thing is the stitching. So as you can see here on the main foam base, the fabric has been stitched up pretty tight. So in my case, the stitching has slightly came apart. It's really minor as of now, but what I think is that the stitching could have been double stitched, because whenever you sit and get up on the chair, the base expands and contracts. So eventually the stitching handles all that pressure. But anyways, these are not any sort of a major issue, just normal wear and tear, but we will see how it does in the long run. Finally, talking about the pricing, guys, then on Greensole's official website, it is priced at 18,990. And personally, guys, I brought this chair from Greensole's official website only, but I bought it during just after launch, like in the pre-order duration. I booked it and I got it at a discounted price of about 16,140, and this is because of the pre-order, guys. I got it this cheap, but now the prices have increased by about almost 2,000 rupees, so that was sort of a bummer. But then too, guys, the chair is absolutely value for money. Trust me, guys, it has the top-notch quality. The materials are really good. All the features that you get are absolutely stunning. Also, kudos to Greensole for making such an amazing product. And Greensole is an Indian brand, guys. Yes, it is an Indian brand, so do support our Indian brands. Vocal for local is the new thing that has been coming up a lot. So really proud to see an Indian brand doing such high quality products. And also, guys, this chair has been BIFMA certified. So BIFMA is basically a furniture certification standard, and it's good to see that this chair is BIFMA certified, so it has that level of quality control as well. So overall, I'm really impressed with this chair, and I would highly recommend you this Greensole Monster Ultimate GS734U gaming chair. The Best Buy links to the chair has been given in the description down below. You can check it out for yourself, guys. And that's about it. So that's about it for this short and simple video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, then please do hit the like button down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for more awesome content. This is your boy Kaustubh from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.